Today's Saturday, 26th of June. I got a bunch of traps here that I got from Brent's, and I gotta fix that a little bit since it's dented in. These runners are all worm-eaten, so I'm gonna replace them with some new ones that I have here. Kind of fix these bent spots here a little bit. Boy, they got hog rings all over this place of this aluminum. I'm also going to replace these what does it say? Made in Maine. Huh. I'll be done. Planter. That's what it says. Alright, so these are the ones. If I had a pressure washer, I'd get all the stuff off of these. But that's it. I think there's, let's see, they're 4-foot traps. There's 2 up in the top, 2 up there. Two up there. 2, 4, 6. 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah, 14. So there's 14 traps. See, even that one there is broke. Right there. Pretty slick though. Get these all fixed up. I may have to go buy a pressure washer. Get these barnacles all off them. I wouldn't have had any room for his pressure washer, so he's got one, but wouldn't have had any room for him. Alright, so that's all she be. And I'll lift that up high. Saturday. And that's all she wrote. Okay, so let me